Prophet Noah, peace be upon him, is regarded as a great prophet in Islam, Christianity, and Judaism. The most significant event of his life is the Great Flood, which was a result of his people's denial and God's punishment. Important aspects of the life of Prophet Noah, peace be upon him. 1. Prophethood and guidance of the people. Allah sent Prophet Noah, peace be upon him, as a prophet at a time when his people were immersed in polytheism and idol worship. He invited his people to monotheism for nearly 950 years, but very few accepted faith. 2. Denial and mockery of the people. The people of Noah denied his message and mocked him. They accused Prophet Noah, peace be upon him, of being a liar, and said that if he were a true prophet, he would show them a miracle. 3. Construction of the ark. When the people of Prophet Noah, peace be upon him, continued to deny him, Allah commanded him to build a large ark. He built a magnificent ark by Allah's command, which housed pairs of every living creature and those who believed in him. 4. The Great Flood. When Allah's punishment descended, water gushed from the earth and the sky, resulting in a tremendous flood. This flood lasted for several days, drowning the entire nation except for those who were aboard Prophet Noah's, peace be upon him, ark. 5. Life after the flood. After the flood, the ark came to rest on Mount Judy. Prophet Noah, peace be upon him, and his companions began a new life. As a prophet of Allah, he continued to guide his community and teach them about Allah's oneness. The status of Prophet Noah, peace be upon him. He is a symbol of patience, perseverance, and trust in Allah. His mention appears multiple times in the Quran, and he's counted among the Ulul Azm prophets, meaning those prophets who were extremely resolute and patient. The story of Prophet Noah, peace be upon him, teaches us that patience and faith in Allah can help a person overcome difficulties, and nations that disobey Allah face severe consequences.